Today, I'll be showing you guys how to do strawberry nail art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're going to start by painting your big toenail white and the rest red. You're going to do a rounded triangle for the strawberry and then fill it in with red. Instagram is in the description below. Let that dry. Now to do the leaves for the top. Now get your dotting tool and white polish and put dots for the seeds. Check out the cards at the top of the video and the videos on the end screen. To add accent to this design, I'm going to put some polka dots on another nail. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.